Hi everyone, it's Galen again. Today I'm here representing Unity Stamp Company. I'm one of their design team members, and I'm going to show you how to make a Bible journal page with stamping and a little bit of watercolor. I started with Unity's stamp kit Love in the Margins and also the stamp kit called Patience. I'm using Prima Marketing Chalk Edgers colors. I'm using My Creative Bible. I've done some projects in this. Links are on my blog. It has margins that you can write journaling or include artwork. I'm using an all-new watercolor palette mat, a stamp block, and a brush. I'm also adding a folded piece of paper between or behind the page I'm going to be working on. I am using various colors of Prima's chalk edgers. I'm adding a little water to each color onto the palette, and with a brush I'm going to start applying a light background layer. And for the top I'm just brushing lightly with minimal water, a lighter yellow. And then I'm going to come in with the pink towards the bottom, moving upward. I don't mind if some of the yellow is in there. I like the color blend of it. I will add another layer of watercolor background later, but for now I just wanted something light, and then I'll dry it and heat set it and stamp on it. With the Prima chalk edgers, you can stamp and you can also watercolor. But once you stamp, you won't be able to watercolor your image very well because it will bleed and run. So I like to do the watercoloring on the background and heat set it, and then I just add the color directly to the stamp that I want to use and stamp right on the page using an acrylic block. And then with different colors, I'm going to stamp on the leaf. I'm just making the outer leaves a very light green, kind of a lime green, and I'm going to add a darker shade towards the middle of the leaf. And then I'll stamp that with the acrylic block right above the sentiment stamp. And then I will ink it up again the same way, this leaf stamp, and I'll do this similar thing towards the bottom. And after that's done, I'll heat set the ink. And with these Prima chalk edgers, they don't really bleed through to the back of the page like other stamps, other inks. I love that because then you could use art on the other side of it at another time. You can see a little shadow, but it doesn't bleed all the way through to the back of the page. Now I'm going to add more of the pink layer, and I just fill in bits of watercolor around the leaves, but trying not to touch the leaves. I just wanted the pink to be a little pinker, and I'll add some onto the yellow portion as well. You can do as much or as little as you like. I just wanted it to show up a little more and have a little more variegated color to the page. Using watercolor on Bible pages doesn't blend like it would if it was on watercolor paper, but that's fine. You just have to use a little less water when you're working with these thin Bible pages, and It comes out nice. I like it. And heat set it on the front and the back of that page. And there you go. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Take a moment to like and follow my channel. Have a great day.